What's the meaning of chintzy? Chintzy. Chintzy.
Chintzy. Chintzy. Chintzy is an adjective that describes something as being cheap, tacky, or of poor quality. It refers to something that is stingy or miserly in terms of its appearance, construction, or materials. When something is described as chintzy, it implies that it is not well made or is overly ornate in a way that appears cheap rather than elegant. This term is commonly used to describe clothing, jewelry, furniture, and other consumer goods that are perceived as being of low quality. Overall, chintzy is a negative descriptor that suggests something is less desirable or valuable.